me share this video.
Lifted and lifted, lifted on the more higher, greater than the great. Lord, I worship you.
All right. Imani Boyen got about share this video to platforms and the buying. The truth is what I will always speak. Omeje Capital, you're welcome. Now let's go. Let me play this.
The China company are coming to see me on Friday. From China, they went to Astorok. From Astorok, they are coming here on Friday. We are going to have, why Chinese? So, for you to see what is happening in Uganda, they are coming to say, man of God, we see what you are doing in Uganda. We want to build solar. We are having the meeting on Friday. The solar that will give 24 hours electricity in that beautiful city that is coming. Amen and amen.
Amen.
So the meeting, me and them will have the meeting on start on Friday here. Then we will know. A day is coming. Right today's date down. It will become Banana Island of the Southeast.
Amen. I want
And
to
this one the unique thing that after we finish, during the process of building it, we are going to lecture people free, the communities in that area.
Amen.
You will see it on video. You will see it on video.
I get there. But wait.
It's not a city of small Peking. Zion no be Peking. Zion are sons and daughters.
Amen. Amen.
Yain e bulata na alaba. Ndị mmadụ kwesịrị ịdị ha dị na-ekele anyị.
Amen.
Any human being that does not want development is a witchcraft.
Amen.
You know, there was a day I gave message that it's good to be Igbo, but it's not easy to be Igbo.
Let's listen. Let's flow together with the man of God.
I gave a message that it is wonderful to be Igbo, but it's not easy to be Igbo.
Yes.
Any man or woman in steel that is standing strong as an Igbo person,
Oh yeah, this
that
person.
His own people will punch him left,
the two last commenters. I don't want you to come and get out from here.
Hand for that person. It's not easy.
Oh yeah, the last one. Oh yeah, get out from this page. Comment anyhow. Let me
So it's wonderful to be Igbo, but it's not easy to be Igbo. And
Yes.
it doesn't take us anywhere. There was a time Igbo people produced tenants in this country. The same Igbo people remove all of them. If any day Igbo man will become the president, the same people that will remove him are Igbo people.
Igbo people,
And
yes.
we say we are wise. Not wise, it's the structure. That is why our own region is the most undeveloped. But we are developing Ghana,
Just
developing Cameroon, developing Abuja. The biggest and the most beautiful estate in Abuja are owned by Igbo people. But where they come from is ghetto, forest, kidnappers camp.
Kidnappers camp. Take notes.
Check the most biggest estate developer in Nigeria, in Africa. They are Igbo people. Where are they developing? Other area, not their own. Then when you see people that make a move, and we politics, we know how to politicize everything. But they will not succeed. Lift your hand, shout, they will not succeed.
They will not succeed.
Anybody that stand on the way of the mission of God, that person will go down.
Amen.
Power.
I was the one who encouraged our people to be coming home, right? It's not easy to people.
This one,
I'm
watching what Ebuka is preaching.
He can put an Hausa man
People his members are gossiping here.
The job will still be like that. But they just open
They
shop
never heard it, you know.
and leave the job for 3 weeks for your one Igbo brother.
So be here with me, everybody. I'll block you. delete down your comments now and stay quiet on this page.
Before you
Nah,
come
bro,
back,
here. Nah.
he will say your pants. It's wonderful to be Igbo, but it's not easy to be Igbo.
You are right,
We
man.
fight ourselves. That is why we are destroyed in Nigerian politics. Totally destroyed. Anytime they want to attack any Igbo man, they will use the full Igbo man.
Delete your comments. You have 5 minutes to delete it. 5 minutes, I'll block you from this page. You only came here
That
to
is why
insult me.
our region is undeveloped. People will go and live in Abuja and feel comfortable. Live in Cameroon and feel comfortable. When your village is being taken over by killers and kidnappers. People should be happy for the gift of Ebuka Obi, not church. Not church. I told myself I don't have time for responding to anybody. I am focused. I have a lot. I am signing contracts with 1,000 hospital beds that is starting next month. 1,000 beds. We are signing contracts for the school, and I am here responding to somebody. No, I don't have the time again. We are moving forward. Our people must move forward. Our region must move forward.
Ngobala must move forward. The right
Nigeria must move forward.
Amen.
Amen and amen.
Amen.
That is why I'm just saying batara. And as somebody a job, we can't run away from where you come from.
First of all, I didn't have been too sure. Hey, Mela avoid Amalan to secondary school. He says social media does not have power rights. Hey, Mela avoid it there, but we are not too sure. That's one. Two, the man of God had said on microphone that the communities will go to school there, right? We want it written, so he's coming. But just wait, there's something I want you to pick here.
First, we demolished 4 kidnappers camp.
Let's see, no. Oh yeah, where they are shaking. This is where I dispute. The man of God said that when they came to Ngopala, first, that they destroyed 4 kidnappers then in Ngopala. This is a lie. Now, are you listening to me? You are the one putting fears in the minds of people. Sir, this is our place. Now, when they destroy 4 kidnappers then, name that land. Wait, help go in any platform on the buy. Share go link here so that at least 1,000 of our people will see this video, or at least 100 or even 50 persons will see it. There was never a time they destroyed 4 kidnappers then inside that land. This is a big lie. The only thing they can win one certain period, the security not around that premises. When a little shootout within the full and all of us heard that in Akwema. We even joined chopping down with that place. And it was recently there was never a time on the soil of Ngopala. So show us evidence. Show us video clips. How come such information happened in Ngopala and it is only you that is saying it out? Such thing never happened on the soil of Ngopala. This one a lie. 4 kidnappers then. Name that place. Or the possible. Look at how that place is. So that place is at the back. It's at the back of 6 autonomous community. Akwema. At the back of 6 autonomous community. The same back is where all our people farm. Everybody goes back and farm. The problem is that people don't believe the truth. All of you don't believe truth. Biko Ibrahim Ngopala not here, Biko confirm Ukrela, non big reaching na WhatsApp now. Non be reaching na WhatsApp. Ibrahim Ngopala. Bomb na WhatsApp with 09064235745. I repeat, 09064235745. Ibrahim Ngopala. Okrela my line. Ibonye Ziama, Ibonye Mbishi, Ibonye Ntu. And when I'm about to put 4 kidnappers then our place. Chai, na so una dey lie. Na so una dey lie, na so una lie reach for our own korokoro eye. Jesus. This particular video they made.
I didn't want to say this because if I say this, some members will be afraid of going for crusade last year.
Hello. Good morning.
There were my brother. They have go here this very morning. How are you heading with that?
Iwonye Mbishi.
I'm Victor Emenogo.
Okay, Victor. And when I'm destroy the 4 kidnappers then
Our own brother, our prophet, the so-called prophet, when I believe Rukia, when you're on a pulpit at the podium, how many Bishi, how many Diama, Ngobala.
Okay.
My brother, when you do that,
okay, and when we destroy the 4 kidnappers then
where, which place? The 4 kidnappers then.
Kebe kidnappers in the Shala.
And Amala. So Kebe has to destroy the 4 kidnappers then. Oh, the Muda. Onye biakpano onye bịara na nke mmadụ ekwesịghị iji asụ n'ụgha megide onye ọ bịara na gị ya because ndị Igbo anyị na-atị lulu ha sị ọ bịara ese.
Go ahead.
Yes, onye bịara na nke mmadụ ndị Igbo ji atị lulu ha sị ọ bịara nke onye abịabuli ya ma ọ ga-ala mgbumgba sụkwala ya na kedu onye ji ụgha na ahụrụ ala bịa na nke m elekwanụ onye nna adịka ọwa ọkụrụ elede ebe kidnap ha si gba ọsọ ha kidnap ọma n'ụba n'ime ọhịa ahụ. The truth will they are not going anywhere because
they are not nobody. The one you got by n'ime ọhịa ahụ la.
Ha eziama ga-enye ebe ọ na-ene ha bụ ọ bụrụ ha bụ amaala elekwana ebe si ala. So why will he on the podium on the pulpit all in the name na ọ chịrị ịkara ala ọ chịrị ikwere ala without due process without compensation ya na-ahụ ha na-agide ndị mbishi ọ dị nwụda ọ bụ ihe rere ure rekudile na njọ. Enwe onye dị against development, enwe onye dị against him bringing his own development or his ministry down in the east. But what we are saying may ya with a due process, may ya in a way orureru, may ya ụtọ ọ ga-ugesi n'aha Jesus onye ọbụla ma ndị memba gị ma other people ndị na-awụ memba gị soro gị si ebe ọ wụghị ibe ya iji ṅụrị ọṅụ. Remember, akwụkwọ nsọ David si ya bụrụ m ihe arụ na m ga-ewere ihe na-enwe ihe ofuru m were nye Chineke m. Agaghị m ewere ala gị n'efu because a man wanted to give his land to David iji rụọ ụlọ Chineke. But David jụrụ ajụ si ya bụrụ m ihe arụ na m ga-anara gị ihe a n'efu iji nye Chineke m. Ihe m gwawụrụ gịnị ya mụ mere with governor of Imo State ma setụlụrụ ndị ministry government of Imo State, why can't he come to the landowners?
My brother, my brother,
any compensation whatsoever.
My brother, Ebuka compensation, but there was one fact in Chori prove here. Him chọrọ kilia godi anyị as onye ngọkpala as nwa afọ Mbishi Igbo as nwa afọ Eziama n'obodo ka anyị a na-atagizi anyị kidnappers. We are there anytime anybody brother place see they destroy the 3 kidnappers camp, not to talk of 4, even once not earlier before.
My brother Gewente, from the inception, from the day you were on the Opala till now, they kidnap from Mazanoza.
Oh, maybe before.
Maybe Ambo Nozo, Nambishi, Nalambishi, or Mebela, or Mopani Kime, or Wikime, Elebuna Ushala, or Geshintuala, or Shediamala, or Shaburala, or Shamala, Oshogokwe, Gaba Gadisha, Laya, or they possible, Omebembo, and can never happen.
And the mother can lie you. The mother can lie you.
Our people are hardworking people. Our people don't deal with crime. So, yeah, we're not talking. Here propaganda. And then we are not kidnappers. We are peace-loving people. We accommodate strangers. We accommodate strangers. So, yeah,
Udo Drake, my brother. Udo Drake, can pick another call. People are trying to call this particular line I'm using. Please, for your earliest information, Ndengobal Abru kidnappers. It has never, although on a record anywhere across our land. And when be any place, other than our place, I say, I have the kidnappers now. We know the troll our bushes are not safe. And I tell Ngobal more here. But in not all our camp, when they are non government before Ngobal, it has never happened. It's not as if we against anybody, but the gospel truth is that our place, we don't condone such things. This is the gospel truth. Before hey, we don't know this thing now to blackmail the people of Ngobala. Please, I'm not dragging land with you. That is not the problem. Today's broadcast is not all about land and land issues. What I'm telling you is that what the man of God said about our place is lie. It's an official disclaimer. I'm telling you that such thing never happened in our land. Obashi. That's a lie from the pit of hell. You lied against the innocent youth of Ngobala. Or can people say cannot tag the bad names? Do you even have the capacity to destroy kidnappers camp without the state government? Are you the police public relation officer to have made such announcement against the people? You are just trying to blackmail us all around now. You are the wrong. This is wrong. Only Aburo police public relation officer that should make such announcement. Because such thing never happened. Is that possible for police to dislodge 4 kidnappers camp in a place without announcing it as a danger zone, or at least making certain publications about it, so that the inhabitants of that land will be careful? You're only trying to blackmail the people of Ngobala. And when you're here, at the same time. This thing never been in our place before. Is a lie. This is what I'm telling you officially. That there were never a time for kidnappers then we are discovered in our land. Is a lie. This is a pure lie. This is exaggeration to blackmail our people for nothing. Our young youths are very hardworking people. Since you know that place, if you tag our people to be evil, since you are there, and when anyone from that place is even shovel. Just imagine, go across Igbo land. You think you go to me bigger for this kind of people? We've never done that. There was a time the man announced that Ebuka Obi had a program there. Now when they you saw that video online, Abi. Immediately, the youth president of Eziama Autonomous Community raised immediately. They went and dislodged in the Malaya. They went and told them that any motor any motor full stuff. When I get the destination of Ngobala here direct from Owerenta, if you stop that vehicle, I may charge you here that day. The youth president went there with other youth leaders of other villages. Did you pay them to do that? To show you how we are as a people. There is a place I know room on a red drug, Neziama. Our youth to mobilize the gather place, go to the back, go to the back, go to down. The videos are there, I can post it. No traditional ruler commanded the youth to do so. Shebi drug and youth supposed to get smoke and maybe. But our youth to rise in the middle of such thing that is infiltrating the community. They went and brought that place down. There was a time, they could not enter Amala because if you enter the territories of Ngobala, I can make you immediately. Why are you tagging us? Why are you tagging our people? Everything you like at the pulpit because you have opportunity with a microphone. This is blackmail against the innocent child of Ngobala. If you don't know what to preach, you keep your mouth shut because some of us go begin to tell you the kind words we no go like. Why will you tag the people of Ngobala kidnappers? On what ground? The videos are there. Just listen, no. And even said that he knows why they did not say it on the internet that time, that so that it will not bring panic. After tagging and then go up and then with about 4 kidnappers then and between Anya and Amala and the Zamangao. Is it possible? 4 kidnappers then you know earlier before came with photo. You know earlier before. Oh, yeah. In fact, in our villages, if I want to I'm with a signboard, anything open grazing. Is it because I never post on the internet? Imubulanya chupu gondana achin na mabata maybe she crops his people. Because I know one day make video about post to the internet. That does not mean nobody on kete. It the very first time I tagged then got by a kidnapper now from a man of God, a supposed man of God. I'm like again.
The China company are coming to see
Wait
me on Friday.
wait again. People will not accept the gospel truth. This is wrong.
So it's wonderful to be Igbo, but it's not. Next month, 1,000 beds. We are signing contract for the school, and I am here responding to some. Zion entered and development.
Ambassador Peter Emmanuel, as civilized as you are, is this good?
Less than 1 year, less than.
Ambassador Peter Emmanuel, as a lettered person, as an exposed man you are, is this statement right?
That project you see there is less than 1 year. Ebuka, thank you. Less than 1 year. Turning forest into Dubai in our present time.
For earliest information, that place is not a forest. Because our mothers farm there every blessed day. Any farmland a woman can enter alone. Even her desert. Even her forest. That's by the way.
Why will he be Ebuka?
Go and ask our traditional rulers if this thing ever happened there. Go and ask our local
Look at the turning forest into a beautiful city, a home for Igbo, a home for Nigeria, a home for everybody. Little Ghana qualified. No man can do this, it's grace of God. People that go there will ask, is this federal government project? Is this state government project? No, Zion project.
That's good. You are working out. You're building hotels there. They're trying. Building hotels. Nobody's against your business. This one said, stop taking drugs. It's affecting your brain too much.
And am I respond to anybody? No, I'm talking about our project. I'm not responding to anybody. If I want to respond to anybody, I will answer the questions that have been asked. There's a lot of questions that have been asked. I will respond. I will give you details. I know the history of that place more than everybody talking about it for that. But I don't want to respond. I'm happy for this project. The battle Abraham you can't listen to what Honorable say. No, when there's an oya bata, no bata, Zion has put Allah in a map. I don't go Allah before, but now I'm saying. So may God bless that land.
Amen.
And bless the infrastructure coming up there.
Amen.
Amen.
I hope many of you know that anywhere China getting there.
This guy.
In terms of the.
Wait, I don't. The place I don't pass that place. Ever seen the kidnapper?
So it's wonderful to be Igbo, but it's not easy to be Igbo. And it doesn't take us anywhere. There was a time Igbo people produce tenants in this country. The same Igbo people remove all of them. If any day Igbo man will become the president, the same people that will remove him are Igbo people. And we say we are wise. That is why our own region is the most undeveloped.
During the time of
developing Ghana, developing Cameroon, developing Abuja.
It is the same spirit which led the Igbo people to fight against their brother who was the Senate president. That's the same spirit leading an Igbo man to come and collect land that does not belong to him. Is it not the same spirit? And in the spirit of an intruder remains with an intruder. It's the same spirit hovering now, because if the same spirit has possessed love, the spirit would have remembered the old and poor widows.
When you see people that make a move, and we politics, we know how to politicize everything. But they will not succeed. Lift your hand, shout, they will not succeed.
They will not succeed.
Anybody that stands on the way of the mission of God, that person will go down.
Amen.
I was the one who encouraged our people to become.
I like this man, they're very smart. But this particular lie, I want to cover this lie, I want to just keep quiet too. But I can't look back, I can't realize our people don't they, you know. He
can put an outer man there and travel for 1 year. Come back, the shop will still be like that. But they just open shop and leave the shop for 3 weeks for your one.
Somebody says, oh, God love your brother. Oh, God love your brother. He's your brother. Yes, he's our brother now. We love him so much. That's why we are trying to
before you
put him right.
He will sell your pants. It's wonderful to be Igbo, but it's not easy to be Igbo. We fight ourselves. That is why we are destroyed in Nigeria.
So you are you live a brother, you don't have
every
sense.
Time they want to.
Onye? Ah? Ndewo? Money no? Okay. Adam, man on my life, oh. I'm just too small. Okay. So, everyone, you see that particular lie is there. I don't like her. Okay, that lie don't make sense. Wait, let me play this side. Let me play this side.
Attack any woman, we use the following woman. But we claim to be most intelligent foolishness. That is why our region is undeveloped. People will go and live in Abuja and feel comfortable. Live in Cameroon and feel comfortable. When your village is being taken over.
This one not true. Come back, invest in people land. Invest people land. Madabuchi.
No church.
Many of you comment out of points. And therefore you are blocked from this page now. I watched and I observed your insult twice. Come and get up from this page. Next person. You want me to block you? Let me see your comments.
We are signing contract for the school, and I am here responding to somebody. No, I don't have the time again. We are moving forward. Our people must move forward. Our region must move forward. Nigeria must move forward. Amen and amen. That is why I'm just saying, Anna from the way, John. We can't run away from who you are, where you come from. Maybe go to traditional marriage. Men are Abuja. Men are London. Men are Ghana. Only for Abuja is relaxed. People say the home of his ancestors.
You know I like the man of God, eh? He's been watching me. He's been watching me. If I talk finish now, eh? If I talk this one finish now, eh? If no be as I talk say him go respond. If for still revisit this matter directly, I don't remove your brain like this. I don't tell you. That's why, eh? I wish God will give me the grace. Make I know they respond to commenters. I go try do that thing later. If I dey like, people no go dey comment.
Block our comment section.
I will lock the comment section. So it will give me the authority to be. If I want to respond to you, if I want to talk to you, I will just talk to you straight. People can only view it and nobody can comment.
First, we demolish 4 kidnappers camp. I didn't want to say this because if I say it, some members will be afraid of going for crusade last year. We from whom you are, where you come from. Ndị Igbo chi ime traditional marriage, mee na Abuja, mee na London, mee na Ghana. Onye Igbo hụtazi ụlọ na Abuja.
No, I'm not against Ebuka Obi. Immaculate. Not comment that one. He said that I was once with Ebuka Obi, but I'm against him. I'm not against him. I'm only telling him to do the right thing.
First, we demolish 4 kidnappers camp. I didn't want to say this because if I said it, some members will be afraid of going for crusade. We are signing contract for the school, and I am here responding. Nigeria must move forward. Amen and amen.
Amen.
That is why I'm just saying, Anna somebody job. We can't run away from whom you are, where you come from.
That's right.
Ndị Igbo chi ime traditional marriage, mee na Abuja, mee na London, mee na Ghana.
This one is true.
Onye Igbo hụtazi ụlọ na Abuja na is relaxed. People say the home of his ancestors.
That's bad.
First, we demolish 4 kidnappers camp.
No. This one a lie. This one a lie. This one a lie. Na lie be this. Na lie. It never happened. Na lie. Papa na lie. Na lie, I beg. This one a lie. Don't lie against us. So, as I talk this one, my big brother put this statement straight. Maybe they told you that they destroyed 4 kidnappers camp. Only can have just another the man of God. They got paid. And we kid Janari go to Oreashi. But sir, if you verify this thing, it never happened. It never happened. So this one never happened. Okay? Maybe they lied to you. Secondly, you don't have the capacity to announce a community or blackmail a community of hosting 4 kidnappers camp. It is the police, the public relation officer, that has the right of such subject matter. So show us videos of the camp, show us the cooperation of the communities, vigilante, local vigilantes, the date it happened, and whatever. 4 kidnappers camp at the same time. There must be at least some certain casualties from the kidnappers side. You understand? Government was babu all of them so that it will stand as a lesson. Now somebody just commented again, and this is a brother also from our community, said it never happened. So this thing did not happen, sir. I tell you that this is a blackmail. If anybody had told you that this is what they achieved in that place, sir, is a lie. It's a lie. Emeka James, I'll block you from this page now. So, sir, such information are not to be kept as a secret before the general public, and you are not in the position to say such thing if actually it happened. But I can tell you there are people with the ground informations in our place, our ears on the ground, the strength of our vigilantes, the cooperation of our traditional rulers and our youth. Such thing has never happened in our place before and can never happen for now, because God is on our side and we are security conscious. Our people, the people of Ngokbala, are in total cooperation with the security agencies. Yes, we cooperate with the security agencies in Ngokbala, from the area command to the state CID to wherever. We don't jeopardize security informations. Every security informations or cooperation details that is being requested from our people cooperate to it immediately. So the police should investigate you for saying this kind of things, because it never happened. So give us evidence to this. And people don't always accept the truth. This is a security threat. This is a security information issued by the man of God, and the community has every opportunity to ask questions. Choma, your last minute on this page is coming. Your last one at a minute, I will block you. I'm just watching. Well, let me suspend you first. Next time I meet you on this page, if you comment, I watch people before I will push them where they belong to. Stay quiet. If you're on this page, stay quiet on your own. If you're tired of being on this page, just jump out. You must not be everywhere. You're a family woman. Just, you can stay and watch. If you don't like what I do, you block me and go. But I'm suspending you for now. Don't be here again next time. I need 2 other persons to block here. This one say hunger is another disease. That's very good. I don't make on the condition. Again, I dig again on a picture. How picture on the 2014. Oh, hey, again, I dig can use na this millennium to even afford Android phone. Going to just a picture raga. Although your husband created this Facebook page, will at his age, all the Korean or sugar. You better try he get this man early. Come and get her from this page immediately. Come and get her from here. You. Where's another one? Oh yeah. Next one. Oh yeah, another one. Comment here, Ndara. Comment here again. I'm going to see a big one. Chinamana gonna egwu here. Ndị ara ndị that will not accept the gospel truth. Ijecha school you certificate gị makpu ya n'okpuru bed, a turn or one busy idiot somewhere with your Facebook account. All right. Mr. Kasi Onyike, Ngokbala Front, members of Ngokbala Front, and the youth, those of you gaga matter this guy Babuna police, you should put up a letter to the Commissioner of Police, Imo State. Please put up an inquiry committee. So you should go to the Commissioner of Police, Imo State, and demand the record of this thing. Demand the record of such event the man of God quoted, that you want to know what happened, so that we'll be able to checkmate our communities. You understand? It's very, very important, because nobody can kidnap anybody and bring into your community without the cooperation of any indigenous person. You understand? So we want to know. We want to know. You get what I'm saying now? If you say that there were about 4 kidnappers, then there is no way any kidnapper will inhabit such place, keeping their kidnapped victims there. You understand? No proper information, no details, no documented evidences and all that. So how do we know? How sure are we that people were not buried in that place? So how come such thing happened that nobody in Ngokbala knows? Nobody in our community knows, no one single soul. So we want a probe to this. We want to be sure. We want to be sure if these things happened, how come were they cooked up or fabricated stories? These are angles we must look into for security purposes, please. Who demolished the camp, and at what petition and credibility? The kidnappers. The kidnappers were in that camp when the Surveyor General of the state came there, measured the land and left. The kidnappers camp were still there. These are questions. Caterpillars were there, bulldozering things down. Communities were busy moving about, talking about the information. The 100 days were anchored there. The kidnappers couldn't kidnap anybody in that same place. Or they kidnapped somebody from elsewhere and they came and kept there. The reasons why we need a probe to this is very simple. We need this to be looked into. Investigations should be carried out to this. Because some of you talking, you may have a brother from your village who is missing about 2 or 3 years ago. And we need a clear information to aid you the opportunity to know what happened to your brother. So a little trace to a fresh crime can link to an old one. This is very, very simple. So when people are talking about security issues or matters, you shouldn't tell them to keep quiet, all because you love. The man of God may be saying the truth also. You understand? But we want to know why such information or such thing happened and it was clamped down in our own society and we never knew. Who sealed it? For what purpose did they seal such information? Could it be that anything of such will happen in our area and somebody will come and hijack the matter and seize the information or deprive us the information? Is that right? The first place we heard this thing, the first place, I am sure that our community people are in shock right now. The first place all of us heard this thing was on the internet and from the mouth of Prophet Ebuka Obi. We never heard it from any of our local vigilantes, which means they betrayed us. We didn't hear it from our traditional rulers. The local police commands around did not tell us that about we were staying or living with 4 kidnappers then in our place. So if this thing happened in the realm of the spirit, the man of God should explain to us. If it happened in the physical, the man of God should explain to us. It is well. You think about this. You went to school. Many of you watching me here are equally security officers, personnel, I mean, investigative officers and intelligent officers, detectives. So when people make this kind of statement and you hear it on the internet, you don't only scream amen. At least you work on the information given to you. It's also an opportunity for you to sanitize our village, our communities for us. Hello? Good morning. Adam.
Okay. Abang Pongo Bala. And the Pongo Bala na Bogan Ototua. On the issue, when they got a live broadcast. Now, would you ever go to a, you know, Ebuka data war on the internet kind of here, and I can't know the right from time immemorial. Then when the kidnapping then, Bango Bal, or Nambishi, you know, every day kidnap people. Probably more here, she more here, Borohaba, Bala River State, like he made in his statement, you know, Odin Wuda. And like you said, our security, what have they been doing? If this information is real, our traditional rulers, are they aware of it? You are making the point. Your points are right. Emma, where is your kumbo for them? To them matter, but I want to you know. I the man of God who could have what is your there were the 4 kidnappers then. Why did he keep quiet for so long? Why? That is the question. That means I am the kidnappers or hammer form of these kidnappers. That the kidnappers or come in the spiritual realm, like you said. You know, I need the Rema. They need the Rema. I am with the people in our government, you know, in every part and area. necessary a thorough investigation to ascertain the truth, to prove that this is nothing but the truth. And we would not like to see the kidnappers then, because you can't see something anymore here. For me, in this age and era, in this 21st century, you demolish here without, recording it, without capturing it, for reference purpose and for evidence. All the, I think it's unacceptable at this time and time. In this present day, Nigeria, this is 2025, 21st century. The internet is everywhere, and the life is in a little way. I mean, the globe today, the very, very little that you can reach America and come back today, the way things are now. So, because, then go back and change get your own work. Kayamana, he will achieve. Oh,
thank you very much. You got what I suggest here on a platform on DMBC.
Thank you. I will.
No problem.
I will.
So, everyone, this is the way it is. So, the essence of making this video is that we need clarification on that. And for now, we are putting to you, the general public, that such thing doesn't happen in our place and has never happened, and by the grace of God will never happen. So in case of people who has other businesses they want to do in Ngobala, or other business interests you're doing in Ngobala, do not be afraid. During the last 100 days program, the Zion Ministry is held in our place. People came to buy lands. They entered inside villages, inside kindreds and villages, and nothing happened to them. So if our people has the intent of doing such things, they would have been doing it then. Two, lastly, because while you caution people of their wrong utterances, every assumption has imagination of truth. You understand? Then if you're from our side, you have any thought of evil unexecuted already, don't even try it. Whether we are arguing with anybody or whether we are trying to correct certain errors with Zion Ministries, that doesn't mean that you should plan any evil against anybody there. Because our logo there, if you plan evil. Okay, this last person, let me block you now because you've been stupid here enough. Get out, John. So I'm using this opportunity to tell you, each away evil against anybody, or as people are working in different places where they bought lands. Some people came to develop it, some people are doing their fencing there. If you go and plan any evil against them, akaga baraga. Okay, get out of this page. Nankadi konya muna no grown a mortuary for 17 years. It's even here. Come on, get out from this page. Oh yeah, another one. That's my duty. Oh yeah. I can never spare them. If I see any of them here, block or that one. Oh yeah. If you come with insults, if you insult me once, I did not insult your parents, I didn't insult you, immediately I'll block you. So the words are being kept straight. Take it the way it is.